Thank you, Hazel, and happy Thursday, Rico dealers. Hey, everybody, this is John LeBlanc, and it's my pleasure to be speaking to you on this fine morning as we're barreling into the fourth quarter and the end of Rico's fiscal year. And I wanted to bring you some good news about Champs, MD, and BPS, keep knowledge of the program top of mind, and to let you know how we're doing as the program has increased exponentially and dramatically year over year. Now, as you know, a couple years ago, we doubled the dedicated support structure to the dealer channel for MD and BP, and as a result, the number of projects and revenue has doubled as well. Well, what we did was we added an additional business development manager in the Midwest and West regions, Jeff Mildner, as most of you have probably already met him and worked with him, and he's on the call with us this morning. So Jeff presented in the seminars at ConvergeX about digital transformation, and we really wanted to expand and capitalize on the momentum and the message that the conference provided this morning. But to tell you a little bit about Jeff and I, our roles are specifically dedicated to helping you and your dealership be successful in engaging MD and BPS. We're your primary liaisons working with you, your TSC, your DBMs, your MACs, and your BSMs that are on this call to provide oversight and management of the end-to-end support for you throughout the entire value chain and interfacing with Rico's enterprise services team. So a quick look at the agenda here. Jeff and I want to talk about something that's important to us all on the last agenda item. But we'll start out with briefly touching on the services lines that the Champs program enables, MD and BP value, what it can provide above and beyond what's published in the dealer price book, as well as dig into the process deliverables to help you understand the components of successful solutioning. Now, today, we've seen the most demand for Champs in three of our services lines: digital imaging services, production, and managed document and business process services. So this morning, we're going to be talking about the features and the benefits surrounding MD and BP specifically. So let's discuss the key features as it relates to you and your dealership. You get access to the best and most knowledgeable pre-sales, engineering, and implementation resources. They've got a wealth of knowledge that you and your customers can benefit from. We use a proven methodology for project execution to maximize satisfaction while driving revenue and profit for your dealership. It's a nationwide infrastructure that requires no upfront investment and allows you to learn and evolve your capabilities as you work with our teams. Now, it's our goal to deliver effective and efficient design and implementation. We want to give you a quick turnaround for dealer and external customer engagement and give you quick access to the right subject matter experts to help you strike hard and win business. And I think this folds in nicely with the message delivered at ConvergeX about pulling in resources at the right moment to add value to the conversation with your customer and making sure you're that top tier rep that's going to win the business over the competition. So Jeff and I, we're really just the tip of the iceberg when talking about the support structure available. When using this program, you're going to have access to over 100 pre-sales technical account engineers, 54 solution implementers, and 80 project managers, and a whole host of leadership, marketing, and supply chain structure, and we're all committed and dedicated to helping you succeed. Now, we're going to expand a little bit on this topic later in the presentation, but I want to touch briefly on the solutions that are available to you beyond the price book. Your technical account engineer that's going to be working with you, solutioning your opportunities, are well educated on what we call the AIM ECM roadmap seen to the right here. Now, this is an agnostic depiction of all the philosophies and the technologies, the applications, the mediums, and the tools of how data flows in and out of any organization. Your TAEs have an understanding of this and how providing a particular solution around the box can impact this flow of data and create opportunities for additional solutions that can be provided. They approach their opportunities that you give them with eyes wide open and have access to solution sets that aren't published inside of the dealer price book. And some of the examples are some of the solutions from Kofax as it relates to centralized and advanced capture. Kofax Capture and Kofax Enterprise Server and KCNS, those types of solutions specifically. Those can be some big ticket items if you find the right opportunity. And then, of course, we also have an alternate option with Effisoft for advanced capture as well. We do FASU for digital rights management. And then, of course, we have our own Rico Content Manager for cloud-based document management. And then we also have DocuWare, which is an electronic document management and forms management ECM system that Rico actually owns now. So we have all the intellectual property that DocuWare can provide. And of course, we have an alternate to DocuWare, which is a household name inside of the state and local government area with Laserfish. And then, of course, for particular variable data applications, we have Objective Loom, which can be an overlay on top of any of the electronic document management systems that you see here. But the point is that when you uncover an opportunity, your TAE is looking for other opportunities that we can expand upon beyond the initial engagement. Now, of course, we have Jeff Meldner on the line here, who's actually going to talk about the engagement, how you engage, and also what the process is and the deliverables that we provide. Jeff, I'm going to go ahead and hand it off to you here.
Hey, it sounds good, John.